Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Fabulous Food. Today I feel like eating Greek rice, so I made some grilled chicken, so I'm making some Greek rice to go with it now. And for the Greek rice, I have in my pot here 1/4 stick of butter, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, adding 2 cloves of garlic and half an onion, half little green pepper. Adding 1 teaspoon of oregano, and it's Greek oregano. It's a big bottle. And adding 1 teaspoon of Greek seasoning. This one here. And 1 teaspoon of Sazan. Sazan give it a good color and good flavor. And in my rice, 1.5 cup of basmati rice. Smells so good. Smells really good. Adding a teaspoon of sugar. Adding 3 cups of broth, vegetable broth. That's the broth I'm using here, vegetable. Check out the color here. Looks so nice. So I'll cover this for 50 minutes. And then I'll come back and show you how it turns out. Looking good. That's all the oregano on the spoon here. Greek oregano. Check it out, looking so good. Cover it for 15 minutes. I made some nice Greek chicken here to go with the rice. So we are having Greek today with some salad. So the chicken is all done. So waiting for the rice now. Check out the rice here. Oh, check out the color. Looks so nice. Color looks amazing and it smells so good too. Greek rice. So I have half a lemon here. I'll just squeeze it on top of the rice. I'll add some green onion. It's optional. I usually put parsley, but I'm running out of parsley. I made too much salad. So I'm adding green onion in here. It smells so good. Check it out guys, looking so nice. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope how you like my Greek rice comes out. Looking so good, tastes so good too. I had a taste, tastes really nice. The lemon, the garlic, the oregano, everything tastes so good. Looks good. Bye.